Hi there, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable flashlight on your iPhone 15. Let's get started. So I will show you 3 ways and the third way will be the most interesting, so I suggest you to watch this video till the end. And the first way is we can just turn on the flashlight right from the lock screen. Here on the left side you can see it, just press and hold it and the flashlight will be activated immediately. Now let's unlock the phone. I'm gonna enter the passcode and here we can just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger this control center and you'll also see the flashlight. To turn it on, just simply tap it like this and it is activated. You can also see this icon in the dynamic island. Here you can also choose how intensive it will be, just swipe up or down like this and turn it off. If you cannot find it in the control center, then perhaps you would need to add it. So go in the settings. Here we would need to find this control center tab and here we would need to add flashlight from the more controls to the included controls by tapping the plus. And the third way, most interesting, as I said before, we would need to go in the accessibility tab and here scroll till the end and then go in the touch. Here we need to scroll to the end and you'll see the back tab. So mine is off now, and for double tap we can set to turn on the flashlight. Just enable this option and now when you will double tap the back part of your phone, the flashlight will be turned on immediately. So here we need to just put in more effort because sometimes it just simply does not react to the movements. And now the flashlight is on. To turn it off you would need to double tap again on the back part, and here is it how it works. So if you have a case on your phone you would need to put in even more effort because as you can see, it does not react to my tapping like once time. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped and thank you so much for watching.